everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix microphone not working on PS4. If your PS4 microphone isn't working, you need to start by checking the connection to your controller and ensure the mic is properly selected in audio settings. If that doesn't work, you could also adjust microphone level and consider testing your mic in a party chat or game settings as well. First thing is you could check the connections, such as ensure that the headset is fully plugged into the controller. If not, you could also try different headset or controller to isolate the issue. If you're using a wired headphone or headset, make sure that the jack is clean and properly inserted. The other thing, what you could also do is check the audio settings. For that, you simply want to go to settings, go to devices, and go to audio devices. Confirm input devices is set to hard set, headset connected to controller, or your specific headset itself. The thing for the output device is to set the same to ensure audio is routed through your headset. You could also adjust microphone level using the slider speaking into the mic while adjusting. You could also make sure output to headphone is selected for all audio and see whether that fixes your issue or not. You could also try testing your microphone. You could start a PS4 party chat and see if that doesn't, if the others can hear you. Other consideration is that if you're using a wired headset, ensure it's connected properly and has larger or enough battery as well. You could also try restarting your PS4 and see whether that fixes your issue or not. Now these are a couple of things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.